Do it. You're just a boy. Yeah. Go do it. Do it. The camera's waiting. Don't be a pansy.
All have failed. No, it's only up to me. It's up to me. It's a really hard habit.
Try it and find out.
I'm not even gonna feel it first. Because that's the worst part, anticipating the pain.
Just do it. It's recording.
Can I open this one first and then this one and then open this one again?
Do whatever you want.
Oh, is it recording?
Yes, it has been. Go.
All have failed. Oh shit.
What?
It hurt so bad.
Dude, don't be a pussy. Do it.
It's all worth it.
Do it for YouTube.
Oh shit. I'm a major enemy. I didn't do it right.
No.
Do it again.
3. I don't know how to do it.
Just smash your face. Like
This is the thing.
Can we just open it and then smash it?
You open it a little bit. You gotta time it to where you pull the thing into you as you're like light speed into it.
hit your head on the. You have to hit your head on the handle.
No.
That's what I did.
No. Alright.
You don't shut it.
Oh, that one did it.
It hurt.
Dude, I can.
Dude, that had to hurt.
Oh,
Dude,
that hurts.
I felt my neck crack.
Dude, you just like and right out.
Alright, I got an idea. I'm gonna jump into it. I'll jump into it.
Guys, it hurts.
Dude, he just like randomly just smacked the.
I think I have.
Yeah.
I think I have a concussion.